Hello everyone, this video will show you the process of turning the waste textile into small valuable pellets. Start with the conveyor belt feed the waste textile scraps. A semi-auto manual detector installed on the belt ensuring no metal contaminants damage downstream equipment. The single sharp shredder machine will shred the fabric into smaller pieces which is easy for further processing. The conveyor belt again will transport the fabric pieces to the compactor force feeder with its multi-blades. Further break down the material and forcefully compress it into the single screw extruder. Inside the extruder, the material is heated, melted, and plasticizing into a viscous mass. The powerful vacuum degassing extracts the moisture and volatile gases, improving the quality of the final product. Melt plastic then flows through the non-stop CPF filter, which removes any fine impurities and show clean material. The purified melt plastic is pushed through the die mold, with holes emerging as many continuous strands noodles. These hot strands noodles are immediately cooled down and solidified in the cold water cooling tank. The solid strands pass through the shake material air dryer with high-speed rotor mechanically to shake off excess water. Two sets of air blower dryer in series to ensure the strands are completely dry, critical step for optimal pelletizing. The dry strands are fed into the high-speed pelletizer, which cuts them into precise small pellets. These pellets then fall onto the vibration screen, which sinks all oversized and undersized pieces, guaranteeing only uniform and premium pellets to move to the final step. These pellets then are transmitted by the air conveyor system to the silo for packing and storage. That is the whole process. Thank you for watching.